everyone and welcome to this new video. This time I'm in the capital of Bulgaria and you get to see a room tour in the Grand Hotel Millennium, Sofia. It has 5 stars and is probably the newest luxury hotel in this city. As you have seen, it is located in a group of skyscrapers. The complex comes with a casino, 10 restaurants, bars and lounges, a helipad on the top and 400 rooms. Mine is located on the 18th floor. Let's see what it's like. The first impression is that it is a very large room, and I want to emphasize that in spite of its size of 50 square meters, it is a standard room, the cheapest that they offer. Let's start the tour with the bathroom. So you have already gotten a first impression. It's a modern hotel, I really like it. In fact, it's the second time I'm here. The bed is also quite comfortable in my opinion, and the room is quiet. Moreover, everything was clean in there. At this point I am walking from the bed towards the TV to show you the dimensions of the room. Before I tell you how much I paid for all of this, let us have a look out of the window. The view is partially obstructed in this particular room, however it is still quite nice. We are looking in southwestern direction down Vitosha Boulevard. And of course there's a minibar and various snacks that you can purchase. This room came with a certain price tag. I paid around €250 per night. However, I saw that sometimes you could get a room for less than €200, which, considering the hotel category, is still less than in most capital cities. With that being said, my impression is that Bulgaria is probably not as cheap as it used to be. Well, that's it for this time. I hope this video is useful for other travelers. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.